Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth on and off switch missing from Windows. So here's what you're going to do. Go to search, type in services. Now click somewhere here and press B till you find Bluetooth support service. And this has to be, so you want to double click on it and make sure that you put it on automatic, not delayed start, automatic. Click apply, click OK, and simply restart your PC and see if that fixed your issue. Now the second thing you want to do is go back to search, type in device manager. Once you're in the device manager, we want to expand the Bluetooth, and here you want to right click on the Intel wireless Bluetooth and click update driver, and then click search automatically. If nothing pops up, you want to close that out. The next thing you want to do is you want to right click on the Bluetooth and click here scan for hardware changes, and if nothing happens, that is okay. Also, what you can try is simply disabling and enabling the Bluetooth, which is this Bluetooth device protocol. So you want to right click on it, click disable, and simply then click enable. And also you can like restart your PC and see if that helps. Now if that didn't help, the next thing you want to do is the next thing you can try is looking for the Bluetooth shortcuts so you can like send and receive files. To do so, you want to open your file explorer, this PC, local disk C, click on Windows, system 33, find it here, and here type in fs squirt, not squirt but squirt. You can simply like select it and then Control C and then paste it, and it will show up on the desktop. Now you can open this and then you can send and receive files if you cannot see your Bluetooth here. And the last thing you want to do, and after you've done all of this and it still doesn't work, what you can do is go to search, type in run. In run you want to type in msinfo32, press enter. Once this opens, you want to look here for baseboard products. So in my case, P450. You want to close this out and remember that motherboard, what it says there. So you want to paste that into Google, click the first link, accept this, go to support. Now go to drivers here, and here look for LAN drivers. And here there will be Intel Wi-Fi drivers, Bluetooth drivers, and then again network drivers. But in our case, we only need the Bluetooth driver, which will be like the latest release date, and you want to download the latest and greatest. Simply download it, open it, double click on it, and you run the wizard. And I already have the latest version, but for you, you simply go next, install, and after it's done installing, you click finish and simply restart your PC, and that should hopefully fix your issue. Anyways, that's it for this video. That's how you fix Bluetooth on and off switch missing from Windows. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.